Let's explore how to create and utilize canned responses. Let's go to the WhatsApp live chat from the dashboard. This is the option for canned response. Click on this option. Now, click on Add New button. Give a name for the canned response. Then write the message. Click on the Add button. Let's create one more. So now, whenever we get a message about pricing, we can just use the canned response. Let's check. As we have already created a canned response for this kind of question, just click on the canned response button and use the canned response. Now, just click on the send button. That's all. Similarly, we can create and utilize canned responses for Telegram live chat as well. So, this is how we can use the canned response for WhatsApp and Telegram live chat. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.